So just taking a quick look at Vechain today on the daily time frame. As we can see, looking very, very nice on the macro indeed. This is just an absolutely lovely looking chart, isn't it? You can see just this area here, clear area of resistance in this area here from the previous bear market. We were just bouncing around here. Obviously a break, a back test of this area where we have seen just a generally just a decent amount of structure being made in the previous cycle. Obviously the big move to the upside for the bull market, this big parabolic hockey stick like move to the upside for Vechain. I remember seeing this heading up here around 3 or 4 cents and caught a nice 10x up towards those highs. But obviously you can see we had some pretty decent pullbacks in these areas here. That obviously didn't make a new high, came down into this bear market, got down around 95%, got down into this area here at around 1.5 cents. But no desire at all to sell below these levels for people in the market who are selling. You can see just a long consolidation in this bear market. Everyone extremely bored, etc. And then just a very, very simple break of the 0.23 Fibonacci, a back test of this area and also of this range high where we did have resistance before. We came back in, a lovely back test of the 0.23 Fibonacci at 2.7 cents, along with the 100 moving average really just sweeping the price action up here. And we had this really lovely parabolic move to the upside again for Vechain where we came into this area of resistance and just completely ripped through it. Coming up for a swing high here at almost 5.2 cents, which is obviously a really nice high to be having in this local area, breaking cleanly above all these levels of resistance we've been under for years. And you can see here coming in and testing this previous bull market areas of support is what we need to be seeing. Vechain definitely going in the right direction now. As I said in the previous video, we're probably going to come down and back test these areas here a bit more, anywhere down to around 3.5 cents really would be a really good place to be back testing that previous swing high. Just making some nice bullish market structure here, higher highs and higher lows. But overall Vechain, obviously it's just going to follow the market for the most part. And I do think Bitcoin might be due for a little bit of a pullback soon. Obviously if that's the case, we will be seeing Vechain probably coming down and doing something like this, chopping sideways for a bit, and then once we get into the bull market in full, we're probably going to see Vechain and a lot of other alts really starting to move to the upside in about 5-6 months once we've had Bitcoin going up into its halving, probably making a new all-time high with Ethereum following, and then obviously altcoins will follow that beyond that point. You can see this bear market resistance here clearly being broken and closed above now. So really a back test of this area and then continuation up like this. Going into the bull market is what we're after. Vechain looking really solid in this local area. I would say, as I said before, a pullback probably quite likely, but obviously if we move to the upside, the next target is around 6 cents at that 0.50 level.